Hi, Wael here from Sketchaa Merch Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 ways to earn money as a designer using Creative Fabrica. If you don't know what Creative Fabrica is a one-stop shop for all your design needs. And the best part? You can even make money using Creative Fabrica. That's right, I'll show you 6 ways to earn passive income as a designer on this platform. And now, let's get into it. Number 1. Open an online store and sell your artwork on Creative Fabrica. Being a designer on Creative Fabrica has many benefits, including earning up to 75% commission on every sale made through your store and up to 50% commission on sales made by Creative Fabrica. You have complete control over the prices of your products, and there is no exclusivity requirement, so you can sell on other digital marketplaces as well. Creative Fabrica also offers fast payouts, so you can receive your earnings within 7 days, and they take care of all customer service and technical support, so you don't have to worry about it. Number 2. Sell classes on Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica offers a wide range of classes and skills, including graphic design, illustration, circuit, embroidery, and paper crafting, so you can choose the one that suits you best. You can earn recurring income through the subscription plan, as you get paid each month for the downloads made by customers, and you also get paid just for having your products on the platform. But before we dive into the other 4 ways, I want to tell you about 2 amazing offers that are currently running on Creative Fabrica. The first offer is a 1-month free trial deal. This deal gives you free access to over 6 million fonts and designs for the first month, along with 10 download credits. Our channel has partnered with Creative Fabrica to provide this offer for you, and you will find a link to the offer in the description. The second offer is the yearly all-access deal. With this deal, you get access to all graphics, fonts, classes, and more for only €4.99 per month, billed as €59 per year. I will leave links to both offers in the description. Number 3. Earn commissions through promoting Creative Fabrica's subscription plans. You can earn commission by promoting Creative Fabrica's subscription plans and encouraging others to sign up via your referral link. There are various ways to promote the subscription plans, such as through social media, blogs, and email marketing. Number 4. Generate images using Creative Fabrica's Spark tool. Creative Fabrica's Spark tool is a series of powerful AI features that will elevate your creative process and allow you to explore infinite possibilities. You can use this tool to generate images and sell them on the platform. Number 5. Sell on print-on-demand platforms using Creative Fabrica's designs. Creative Fabrica offers t-shirt graphic bundles and mega bundles that you can use to start a complete niche-specific store on print-on-demand platforms. You can use the designs to create and sell t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and other products. Number 6. Sell KDP low-content books using Creative Fabrica's designs. You can use Creative Fabrica's low-content book bundles and graphics to design and sell low-content books, coloring books, and illustration books on Amazon KDP. This is an excellent way to generate passive income and reach a large audience. So, there you have it, 6 ways to make money with Creative Fabrica. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.